and welcome back to my channel. I'm Rishita Makhija, your pregnancy manifestation coach. Well, today I'm here to talk about our choices we make as parents. Do we really want to be conscious parents or do we want to be perfect parents? And trust me, there's a very thin line between the two. Because we want to give our children the best of everything. That's why we are starting to train them while they are in our womb. We want to become better versions of ourselves so that we can be the best for them. And so many times what happens, what our parents couldn't do for us, we start putting it upon ourselves, and we want to raise our bar at that level so that we can do for our children what we didn't get from our parents. So can you see there is so much happening here in the whole parenting circle? Well, and we really want to be perfect. We want to give our children the perfect nutrition, the perfect classes, the perfect education, the perfect house, the perfect environment. At one point, we actually start getting fearful. Fearful, are we doing enough? Is this perfect? Oh my God, that child is doing this. Is my child going to cope up? It also happens while we are pregnant. There's someone else doing so much in their pregnancy, a workout, nutrition is right, everything is great. And you're fearful. Am I doing enough? And this all starts from there. So today I'm here to remind you that we don't need to be perfect parents. Because guess what happens? When you're trying to be perfect, you're trying to really judge yourself and keep the standard too high, and you're always going to function from fear. And our children don't need that. What our children need are parents who are actually present. Imagine there's a situation where you're playing with your child, okay, and you have two options. The perfect thing is while you're playing and creating a mess, the perfect thing is that yes, it's messy, and maybe your child is going to get dirty, has to shower, and this night and it's bedtime, and your child is going to become 20 minutes late to go to sleep because of your decision to just be messy and be in the moment, right? And we face these situations so many times. And then what do we choose? Oh no, my child has to sleep at 8 o'clock because I'm this perfect parent. My child needs perfect amount of sleep. But no. You know what your child would have actually loved? Is you play with your child for those extra 10 minutes, but your child will go to sleep way happier because they had a parent who played with them, was present with them, and was not always in fear and on this whole time schedule. I don't say it's not nice to have a schedule. Of course, we all do need it. But at times, it's definitely necessary to live in the moment, gauge the situation, and let loose and believe in a connection with your child. Because while you're being present and while you're being conscious, you're actually having the capacity to connect with your child. And the connection you form is something which is going to last you all your life. Think about it. Is it important for your child to go sleep in happiness, feeling the connection and the love towards you that, you know what, my parent was present for me? Or would you like your child thinking, oh, you know what, my father or mother is always wanting me to do the right thing at the right time, and it honestly starts building pressure even on them, just not on you. So as we come to the end, today is the time you make a choice. You make a choice. Do you want to be perfect and be the correct person? Or do you want to be conscious and be the connecting person? And I would say always choose to connect, because only connections go down the right way. And we are not born to be perfect. Thank you.